I'm Phil and this is Shar, and we are Y2V. We're a 501c3 nonprofit that does renovation and restoration projects all over the country, mostly at park systems and other nonprofits.
Since we started in January 2020, we've done 40 large and small projects at 26 states and put in over 51,000 hours.
Take a look at some of the work that we've done. And the best part about Y2V is that we require zero supervision because we bring our own leadership team to make sure the work gets done.
So if this is interesting to you, please send us an email or give us a call so that we can help out your organization.